This is a trigger plant, and in a moment I'm going to try and show you why they get that name. But the Latin is Staudidium gramminifolium. We've got a couple of Staudidiums on the east coast in Australia, a few more further south. You go over to Western Australia, there are dozens. They're everywhere. One of my favourite genera in Australian plants. Let me show you why they get this name. Now, if the end of this stick was a wasp, which is usually what pollinates them, looking for a bit of nectar, you land on this flower, go to the centre where the nectar usually is, and what should happen, it's very hard to do one-handed, is that little hammer arm usually swings over and smacks the bug with pollen. Let me try this one. Boom, there we go. See that little arm? So that's normally covered in pollen, and if I was a wasp, I'd be flying off covered in pollen, all very confused. Only got a little bit of nectar, so we'd probably go over to the next flower, like that one there, and repeat the process again. Now, like I said, we've got a few species. This is another one here. It's a small rosetted form with much tinier flowers. Most of them are quite easy to grow in gardens. This one, the grassy trigger plant, Gramminifolium, is probably the easiest. But yeah, you find them in all sorts of habitats and often will jump out at you and surprise you with their beautiful little pink flowers.